Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your date of birthday on Nike app. So first you need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Nike app and you need to download this and open that application. Click on three bars on the top left and go into the settings tab. But once you are in settings tab there is no option to change your date of birth. So how you can do that? You simply need to go and click on contact us, and here you have two options, support on Twitter and call support. If you want support on Twitter, click here, but the best option is call support. Click on that option and you can contact with a Nike agent and tell him that by mistaken you add the wrong date of birth, and they will help you to reset your right date of birth. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.